In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Whop account. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to the Whop login page. If you're starting from the main Whop website instead of the direct login screen, that's completely fine too. The important thing is that you arrive at the official Whop site so you can safely access your account. Before signing in, it's always a good idea to quickly check that the website address looks correct and that you're on the real platform. This helps avoid login issues and keeps your account secure. Once you're on the Whop website, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see the sign in option there. Click on sign in to move to the login screen. This is the area where Whop gives you different ways to access your account. If you don't immediately see the button, give the page a second to fully load, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. On smaller screens, the sign in option may appear inside a menu, so keep that in mind if you're following along on a phone or tablet. After you click sign in, select the option to continue with Google. This is a quick and convenient method if your Whop account is connected to your Google account. When you choose Google, a new window or prompt will usually appear asking you to pick which Google account you want to use. Simply choose the correct account from the list. If you're already signed in to Google in your browser, this step is usually very fast. If not, you may be asked to complete Google's sign-in process first before continuing. Once you select your Google account, Whop should log you in automatically and take you into your account dashboard or home area. If the page doesn't load right away, give it a moment to finish processing. In some cases, your browser may block pop-ups, which can interrupt the Google sign-in window, so if nothing happens, check for a pop-up warning and allow it for the site. And that's it. The process is simple. Go to the Whop login page, click sign in the top right corner, then choose Google and select your account. If you run into trouble, double check that you're using the same Google account linked to your Whop profile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.